Hi, my name is Sasha and I'm the Pearson Campus Ambassador for the University of Florida. I, along with the students interviewed in this video, have used and been helped by MathXL. MathXL is an online math supplement provided by Pearson for instructors and students. It provides instructors with materials that are flexible and easily manageable. For students, MathXL provides hands-on tutorials, an ebook, and a study plan. It creates a mixed environment of self-paced and assigned learning, maximizing the student's potential for success in the course.
I was completely surprised to find a supplement that came right with the textbook. It was right there. It was MathXL. I didn't have to pay extra for it. It came with the book. During the week, I used it 2 to 3 times.
3 times a week.
2 to 3 times a week.
2 or 3 times a week, primarily because I'm not a mathematician, and any extra practice, any extra help really reinforces what I've learned in class.
I realized that MathXL was going to be my saving grace as soon as I took my first test.
Well, I knew it would help me get a better grade. Like, after the first test, I didn't do so hot. So I was like, okay, well, how can I step up my game? Because at first I was just doing the minimum, which is, of course, the quiz and, the practice homework that you have to do. So then I just did some, research, and then I would just, go, and it said extra problems for this unit, and then it had it by section, and then one by one, every problem, it showed you step by step how to do it. Even had video tutorials, which worked good as well.
I realized that I understood MathXL much better, and it helped improve my grade, because normally whenever the teacher talks, it'd be all this information that would come into my ear and go out the other ear. But with MathXL, I was working with my hands, and I was doing the problems and understanding what it was telling me, because it was going step by step. So I realized that this was probably my best chance at passing my math class.
I learned that MathXL would help me get a better grade after I found the Help Me Solve This tool. When I didn't know the answer to some of the problems, if you click on the Help Me Solve This button, it'll give you step-by-step instructions, and that's what I needed to help me get a better grade and understand problems. The advice I have for future users of MathXL is to actually use the product. It's not just another little side item that you have to spend your money on. It's really helpful, and it'll help you boost your grade.
Use it first, the first time, as soon as you buy the password and you log in and you get your first assignment, do everything you can on there, and you will not have a hard time in the course.
If you're using MathXL next semester, don't be daunted by it, because there's a lot of new gadgets and things that you're not necessarily familiar with, but once you play around with it and you figure out what it's telling you, it's actually really helpful, and it's like having your own personal teacher.
You're on the computer all day anyway, so you might as well spend a couple more minutes on the computer and do your MathXL.